Hello! Welcome back to Smart English Official, the best place to learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Lima.
And I'm James. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today. Whether you are listening at home, on the bus, or at the gym, welcome, friend. You are in the right place.
That's right. And James, how are you feeling today?
Oh, Lima. I feel great. I woke up early this morning. I made coffee. I sat by the window, and I thought, today is going to be a wonderful day.
You sound like a happy cat in the sun.
Yes, exactly like that. A very happy cat.
Okay, friends, before we start our topic today, we have a small favor to ask.
Yes, just a tiny favor. Smiling. If you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button. It only takes 1 second, but it helps us so much.
And please subscribe to Smart English Official. We make new episodes every week just for you.
And share this episode with a friend. Do you have a friend who wants to learn English? Send this to them right now. Go ahead, we will wait.
Okay, we won't wait. But really, sharing is caring. It helps your friend and it helps our channel grow. Thank you so much.
All right, Lima. Today's topic. Let's talk about it.
Yes, today we are talking about a day off.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too. A day off is a day when you don't work, you don't go to school, you have free time.
Free time is the best time.
It really is. So, James, imagine today is your day off, your perfect day off. What happens? Tell me everything.
Oh, where do I start? Okay, it starts in the morning. First, I do not set an alarm.
No alarm?
No alarm. On a day off, no alarm clock. I just wake up naturally when my body says, okay, time to get up.
Oh, I love that. When you wake up naturally, you feel so good.
Yes, you open your eyes slowly. You look at the ceiling, you think, I have nowhere to go. And then you smile.
That feeling is so nice.
It is the best feeling. We call it sleeping in.
Sleeping in. That means you sleep later than usual.
Exactly. On weekdays, I wake up at 6 a.m., but on a day off, maybe 8, maybe 9, maybe even 10.
No judgment here. I sleep in too.
Good. We are a team.
So, you wake up late, then what?
Then I do not rush. This is very important.
Yes, no rushing on a day off.
Right. I do not jump out of bed. I do not run to the kitchen. I just lie there for a few more minutes. I look at the window. Maybe it is sunny outside. Maybe it is cloudy. It doesn't matter. I feel relaxed.
I can picture this perfectly. Just lying in bed, warm and cozy with no stress.
Exactly. Cozy. That is the perfect word for a day off morning.
Okay, James, you wake up slowly, you feel relaxed. Now I have an important question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Oh, this is my favorite part. On a normal day, I have no time. I eat something fast, maybe bread, maybe just coffee.
Yes, I know that feeling. No time, just grab something.
But on a day off, I make a real breakfast.
Ooh, what do you mean by a real breakfast?
I mean, I cook. I take my time. I am not in a hurry. Maybe I make eggs.
Ooh, I love eggs.
Me too. Scrambled eggs, fried eggs, maybe an omelet.
An omelet? What's in your omelet?
Cheese, some vegetables, maybe a little tomato, and I fold it beautifully.
Fold it beautifully? You sound like a chef.
On a day off, I am a chef. I put on some music in the kitchen, I sing a little, sings a few notes off key.
Oh, no, please, James.
I know, my singing is terrible, but I don't care. It's my day off.
That's the spirit.
Right, nobody can judge me on my day off.
Okay. So you cook your beautiful omelet, you sing in the kitchen, then what?
Then I sit down. No phone, no TV. Just me and my breakfast.
Oh, wow. No phone? That is hard for many people.
It is hard, but it feels amazing. You eat slowly, you taste the food, you really enjoy it. We call this mindful eating.
Mindful eating. I like that phrase. It means you pay full attention to your food.
Exactly. You are present. You are not thinking about emails. You are not scrolling on social media. You are just eating. And it is wonderful.
I need to try that. Okay, James. Breakfast is done. The omelet was perfect. The singing was, let's say, unique.
Unique. I will take that.
So now what? It's mid-morning. What do you do?
This is where the fun begins. I have a few things I love to do.
Tell me.
Okay, first, I read.
Books?
Yes, on busy days, I have no time to read, but on a day off, I pick up a book. I sit in my comfortable chair, maybe with a cup of tea, and I read for 1 hour, or 2 hours, or however long I want.
That sounds so peaceful. What kind of books do you read?
I like stories about people and their lives. I find them very interesting.
Me too. I like stories that feel real, like it could happen to you.
Yes, exactly. You read the story and you think, oh, this feels like my life.
That's the best kind of story.
Yes, exactly. You read the story and you think, oh, this feels like my life.
What is a documentary?
A documentary is a film about real life, real people, real events, real places.
Oh, like a true story film.
Exactly. I love watching documentaries about nature, animals, oceans, forests.
Oh, I love those too. You watch and you think, wow, our world is so beautiful.
Yes, and sometimes so strange, like those fish in the deep ocean.
Oh, yes, the ones that glow in the dark?
Glow in the dark, underwater. How?
I don't know, but I love them.
Nature is incredible.
Okay, so the morning was wonderful. Books, documentaries, glowing fish.
Yes, a very good morning. Now it is afternoon. What happens?
In the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I get a little more active.
Active? Like exercise?
Sometimes, yes. Maybe I go for a walk. Not a run, not a workout, just a slow, easy walk.
A slow walk is so underrated.
Underrated. Good word, Lima. Underrated means
People do not appreciate it enough.
exactly. People think, a slow walk? That is not exercise. But it is so good for you.
It is great for your body and great for your mind.
You walk slowly, you look around, you see trees, you see the sky, you breathe fresh air.
And you think clearly.
Yes, some of my best ideas come during a walk.
Me too. It's like your brain wakes up.
Exactly. After the walk, I come home, and then I do something I really love.
What?
I call someone I care about,
Aw, that is so sweet.
a family member, or an old friend, someone I have not talked to in a while.
That is really nice, James.
You know, in our busy lives, we forget to check in on people.
That is so true. You think, I will call them later, but later never comes.
Right. But on a day off, you have time. So you pick up the phone, you call them. You ask, how are you? How is your family?
And that makes them so happy.
It makes you happy too. Connection. That word again.
Connection is so important. It's not just for small towns, it's for everyday life. James, we are getting close to the end of the day. The sun is going down.
My favorite part, the evening.
Tell me about your perfect evening.
The evening is simple. I do not go out, I stay home.
A cozy evening at home.
Yes, maybe I cook dinner, something a little special, not just fast food.
What do you cook?
Let's see, maybe pasta or a warm soup, something that takes a little time, something that smells good.
Oh, yes. When your house smells like food cooking, there is no better feeling.
It smells like home.
Yes, exactly. It smells like home.
After dinner, I don't rush to bed. I sit on my sofa, maybe with some tea, maybe a small piece of chocolate.
Chocolate is always a good idea.
Always. And I think about the day. What did I do? Did I enjoy it?
You reflect.
Yes. Reflect means you think about something carefully. You look back at your day. And I think that was a good day.
That is such a beautiful feeling, to end your day and say, that was good.
It is. And then I sleep well because my body is relaxed, my mind is calm, and my heart is full.
Heart is full. I love that. It means you feel happy and grateful.
Exactly. No stress, no regrets. Just a good, full heart.
Oh, James, I loved this conversation.
Me too, Lima. Me too.
Okay, friends, let's remember what we talked about today.
Good idea. Let's recap.
So, we talked about the morning, no alarm clock.
Sleep in, feel good, and wake up slowly.
Then breakfast, not fast food.
A real breakfast. Take your time. Cook something. Enjoy every bite. And maybe sing a little.
If you dare. Then we talked about activities, reading a book.
Watching a documentary. Learning something new.
Then the afternoon, a slow, peaceful walk.
Fresh air, clear mind.
And calling someone you love. Connection is so important.
Then the evening. Cook a warm meal, sit on the sofa, have some tea and maybe chocolate.
And finally, reflect on your day. Feel grateful. Sleep well.
A perfect day off. Simple, peaceful, wonderful.
I feel relaxed just talking about it.
Me too. I feel like I need a day off right now.
Okay, friends, we have a question for you.
Yes, we want to hear from you.
Lima, what do you do on your day off? Do you sleep in? Do you cook a big breakfast? Do you call a friend?
Or do you go somewhere fun? Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
And remember, writing in the comments is great English practice. Don't be shy. Write a few sentences. Tell us your perfect day off.
We will read every single comment. We promise.
Okay, friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.
You are amazing. Really, we appreciate every one of you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a big like.
Subscribe to Smart English Official so you never miss a new episode.
And share this with someone who wants to learn English. You might make their day.
Take care of yourself, friends. Rest when you need rest. Enjoy the simple things in life.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you soon.